Hey guys, this is Merritt from SMBU, and we get a lot of emails with questions, especially Bella, and we wanted to address a few of them here. So I've got 3 questions from our trading community that I'd like to go through, and hopefully we'll get some good answers from Bella. I'm writing to you because I've just got your book, The Playbook, and I want to be a successful trader. I have an account with $50K and I'm trading futures. I've learned some trading techniques, mostly using levels, volume, and price action. I'm 44 years old, and I've decided just to focus on trading, giving up my job in sales because I want to be a successful full-time trader. I know that this is a tough business, but I'm determined to learn and do well. I meditate every day, just like Ray Dalio says, and I'm absorbing everything. I know that I'm a late starter in this business. Most have already hit their peak by my age. But this is all I really want to do. I love it and I want to be great at it. Thank you for your inspiration. If you have any tips or suggestions, I would love to hear them. So if you would, Bella, give us a response on that one.
Okay, thanks for the question and thanks for reading the playbook. So really good question right here. A question that I'm sure lots of readers are thinking to themselves, and appreciate you reaching out and actually asking it to us and giving us an opportunity to perhaps give some ideas to some other people. When you're starting as a trader, the first thing you want to do is build a really strong foundation. So you got to learn everything you need to know about markets, how to think through making trades, risk management, technical analysis, reading the tape, how to read charts, all that stuff. You got a whole bunch of domain knowledge that you got to put inside your brain, okay? So our guys go through something called the foundation. You got to have all that. After that, you want to experiment with different types of trades. Find your niche. What type of a trader do you want to be? So you said you are a futures trader right now. Well, what kind of futures trader are you going to be? Are you going to be a tape reading futures trader? Are you going to be an intraday futures trader? Are you going to be a macro futures trader? What's your niche? Are you going to be a swing trading futures trader? What's your niche going to be? You got to try a bunch of different types of ways to trade before you find that niche. You want to be doing that with small amounts of capital. You want to be archiving the trades that make the most sense to you as you go along. Okay? So experiment. Archive. Okay? When you are finding trades that make the most sense to you, you want to start putting them into a playbook, as you will learn when you read the playbook a little bit further, building your business. Okay? So you're finding your niche, and then you're archiving the setups that make the most sense to you, and you're starting to build your business. From there, I think you want to expose yourself to a group of like-minded people who share ideas with you, who are giving you good feedback, who are allowing you to leverage the way that you trade and giving you more opportunities. I would overlay a jump into learning how to leverage technology to help you find more of the setups that you really like. I would encourage you to start thinking about automating, back testing some of your strategies to give you more confidence with what you're doing, and perhaps to even build automated trading systems. Give it time. You have a little bit of a bankroll here, which is definitely helpful. Think about this as a career. Where are you going to be in 3 to 5 years? The first part's going to be tough. Your job in that first year is really to be learning. So that's the way I'd do it if I were you. I'd also suggest you think about options. One of the suggestions we make for people in your age bracket, if I may say so, you're actually younger than me, is to go over and look at Seth Freudberg's work at the Options Tribe. Think about whether or not those setups make a little bit of sense to you. They're not as active as the way that I trade. You don't have to stare at screens 10 hours a day. They're very successful strategies. They might be better for somebody who doesn't want to stare at screens for 10 hours a day. Happy to answer any questions that you might have along the way. Good luck, keep in touch, and we'll talk to you soon.
Become a member of our trading community by joining SMBU Premium. Each month, as a community, we'll work together to improve our trading with a shared hour of learning. On our trading desk in New York City, the best traders continually grow. In fact, the best traders trade to grow. SMBU Premium is packed with 12 webinars, one a month, focused on market-specific trader training that will help you become a better trader by the end of the month. Invest in yourself, invest in your trading. As I wrote in the playbook, tomorrow you can be better than you are today. SMBU Premium, how good can you be?